Hello and welcome to our executive overview of anterraBI for Procore. Anterra provides you with the reporting you've always wanted to help you monitor your construction operations and make the best decisions possible. Anterra has 4 modules for construction companies: Construction, Procore, Service Management, and Finance. You can use any of our 150 pre-built dashboards and reports, or build your own across the 4 modules. The strength of Anterra is the ability to report across leading construction systems and the ability for users to customize their own reports. Here's an example of a construction dashboard that combines information from Procore with job performance information from your Sage or Viewpoint construction accounting system. You can build as many dashboards as you like, and combine widgets from Construction, Procore, Service Management, and Finance. Our dashboards report across your whole organization. You can filter down to a company, project manager, or job if you like. Here we see change order status, an overview of all Procore items that are due in the next week, submittal status, and who are the top bottlenecks across all of your projects by number of overdue items, their schedule impact, and their cost impact. You can drill on any item to get to the details. Let's drill on our top bottleneck to see all of their outstanding items. Here we see a grid showing all of their overdue items. You can view each item in Procore by clicking on this link. If you make changes to the item in Procore, they're written back to Anterra. Clicking on the back button takes us back to our dashboard. We can look at all of our project management items on user-built pivot tables. We combine all of the items in Procore into an action item grid, as each of these items has a due date and requires an action. The grid is completely customizable. You can select columns, order columns, and pivot columns like an Excel pivot table in any way you like. You can then save your view and share it with your colleagues or make a private view for yourself. In the top right, you can see a list of the saved and personal views. For example, let's look at all items with a cost impact. Here, a filter has been applied to only show items with a cost impact. Another very useful feature of Anterra is the ability to see all of your action items on a calendar. Here we see January 2018 items by due date. It's easy to see what's due and overdue this way. Remember, this is across all of your projects. You can click on any item to view its details and open the item in Procore to edit it if you like. For action items like RFIs, whose due date isn't calculated, you can move the item on the calendar and the due date is updated in Procore. For example, let's move this RFI to be due tomorrow. We have a timeline view of the calendar as well. Let's open it and jump to today. Again, you can open any item and immediately open it in Procore. An agenda view of your item completes the calendar views. Here you see all items listed by day. To conclude this demo, let's look at another reporting feature, the Daily Summary Email. Each user can choose the time of day they want to receive a daily update that contains a summary of their action item statuses and lists all the changes for the projects they are involved with over the last day. The email links directly to Procore so you can immediately investigate changes. Let's click on this observation which shows an error in a drawing. It requires my response. Our clients tell us that having a daily summary email helps them cope with an overwhelming amount of project information. This concludes our executive overview. Thank you for watching. In summary, Anterra provides business intelligence for construction and real estate companies that is pre-built, easy to implement, and accessible anywhere. Our clients tell us they can handle more jobs with the same level of staff with the increase in productivity that results from improved reporting and being more proactive. Please contact us for more information.